Are you ready to start?
Yes.
All of you, please switch on your videos, please.
Okay.
Agnes, smile, dear. Why you look so serious? Yeah. Always smile, okay?
Can we
Look, Kevin is smart, right? Right, Ivan? Yeah. Please switch on your videos. Yeah, make it fast. Agnes, wow, good, good. Good morning. Very good morning. Aiden, what
How
happened?
are you, ma'am?
Fine, fine. I'm fine. Let's start, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So before that, can I ask few questions?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Agnes, the first question for you. What is a map?
A map is a plot of a
Others,
that
please mute.
a map is
Randall,
a
please mute.
drawing of a place on a flat
Only Agnes.
surface
Sorry.
as seen from everybody.
Amazia. Can you try? Amazia. What is a map? Yeah, try dear. Amazia. What is a map? What is the need of a map? Why we are using map? Any idea? Amazia? Yes or no? No problem. No problem, dear. What is a map? Don't know? Yeah. Map simply means it's a drawing of a place, dear. Map simply a drawing of a place. Okay, that is our map. Is it clear? So then we discussed about symbols, right? There are lots of symbols. We use symbols on map. Why, Ivan? What is the reason why we use these symbols? Any idea?
What?
We use symbols, right?
Yes.
What
Yes.
are symbols?
The signs used on a map are called symbols.
Very good. The signs used on a map, right?
Yes.
Yeah, look here. All of you, please look here, okay? Look,
Yeah.
this is our map, right? This is a map of our classroom. Our classroom map, right? But here you can see the symbol of teacher's table, symbol for cupboard, symbol for blackboard, right? This is a symbol for blackboard. This is a symbol for cupboard. This is a symbol for student's desk and table. This is a symbol for teacher's table. Yeah, all these are symbols used on a map. So the signs used on a map are called as symbols. Is it clear, Aradhya?
Yes.
Okay. Then look here. Sorry. Yeah, look here. What is this? Any idea? We already finished. Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. All of you, please switch on your videos. Who is this Oppo KG? Please rename your device, okay? Guys, it's difficult. Yes.
Abigail. Oppo KG.
Then, Anna,
Yes, ma'am.
last class I told you that there are different types of map, right? The map of our country, map of our state, map of our classroom, the plan for a hospital. Yeah? Do you agree?
Yes. Yes.
So look here, this is a map of my home. Map of my home.
Okay, ma'am.
So all these are symbols used here, right? Aradhya, this is a symbol for door. This is a symbol for sofa. This is the symbol for dining table, right?
Yes.
Lots of symbols on a map. But it is very difficult to identify each symbols without their name, right? That is why, along with a map, they also provide key. They also provide key.
Key.
So what is the need of the key? For our easiness, right? So by looking this key, we can easily identify this symbol is door, this symbol is window, and all. Is it clear, Anna?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
So here, this is Anna's home. Okay, this is the plan of Anna's home. Here, lots of symbols are used. Lots of symbols are used. Symbol for sink, symbol for bed, and all. So it is very difficult to identify each symbol from this map. That is why, along with this map, they also provide a key for our easiness. So by looking this key, we can easily identify all the symbols, right, Ivan?
Yes. Yes.
Clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, Aditya?
Yes.
So what are symbols?
The
Symbol.
signs used on a map are called symbols.
Very good. Very good. Rohan, what is a map?
A map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface
Very good. Very good.
as seen
Hmm.
By the place is
Map always gives a top view, right? The top view
from
of,
a position.
yeah, from the top, right? The top view. Yes? Okay. Do you know anything about route map? That is another map. Okay, another map. Route map. Any idea, Jessica? What does this route map means?
Ma'am.
Jessica, others please mute. Okay, I'll come back to you.
Yes.
Jessica, can you try? Do you know what is a route map?
Location.
Yeah, it shows a location, right? Please clap for her. Clap for Jessica. Yes, yes. Very good, Jessica. Very good. So look here, ma'am is going to show a picture. What is this? Wow. It's a map showing the route. Okay, map showing the route. So route map help to identify the location. Identify the location. Rohan, listen here. Okay, all of you, listen here. Do you know what is this? I'm staying here now. Okay, this is our school, Dr. Rajdevis International School. Okay, I'm staying here, right? I'm here now in my school, right? In our school. Okay, so now I'm going to travel to Nived's home. Okay, this is Nived's home. So I'm started to travel. Okay, this is the path, right? And finally, I reached here in Nived's home. Is it clear? So all these are the routes. Look here, this is the key. Look here, all of you. Rohan,
Yes.
this is the key. Key means for our easiness, right? To identify the symbols used on map, we use certain keys. Okay.
Yes.
Key to identify certain things. So what is this?
Position.
Position or location. So the pink dot on a map that shows the location. So look here, this is a pink dot, right? And
Yes.
again here, a pink dot. So I'm here. Now I'm here and you are here. So this is my position and this is yours position. Just a minute, I'll repeat once again. Any doubts, dears? Nived, any doubt? I think he has some network issue. Rohan, is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yeah. Another, sorry. Adidev? Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the meaning of this pink circle?
Position or a location.
Okay. So where is this pink dot? Here we have two pink dots, right? The first one is this. So I'm here. This is my position. This is my position. And where are you? You are here, right? Your home is here. That is your location. That is our first key. Then, what is this? Another one. Amazia? What is this symbol? Unmute. Amazia. What is this symbol? Media. Yeah, Amazia.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this simple? Sarish. Saharish, right?
Roads. Yeah.
Roads, right? So look here. All these are roads, right?
Yes.
All these are roads. So now it's very easy to identify the road's location by using this key, right? And the last one, Mahadevan. Are you there? I can't see you. Yes, Mahadevan. What does this symbol means? Mahadevan. Yeah, just a minute. Yes, yes. Yeah. Mahadevan. Are you there? Mahadevan? No. So, Anna Maria, what is this symbol?
Path.
It's a path, right? So look here in this map, this is the path, right? This is the
Yes.
path to travel or the way to travel. Is it clear? This is our second map. Is it fine?
Yes.
Yes.
So our first map of our classroom that we already discussed. Then we discussed about route map. I'll show a video of this route map, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine? Okay. So in this route map and in the map plan of a house also, they provide a key. Yeah? They also give a key
Yes.
to identify the symbols easily. Is it clear, Rohan?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. Is that
Other.
Correct.
Catherine? Yeah. What's the problem? Yeah.
If my voice is checking.
No?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, who is Durga?
So let's watch a video. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Now we are going to watch a video about this route map. Is it fine? Route map. Aradhya.
Mute everybody. Ma'am.
Yes. Aradhya. Okay. Okay. All of you please mute. Please mute. Please mute.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. What's the problem?
This is my new house.
Very good. Just a minute. Look here. All of you look here. This is the plan of her house. So here you can see the symbol for window, symbol for sofa and all, right?
Yes.
Clear now? This is a plan or map of her house. Fine, dear. Thank you.
It's a big.
Yes, yes. Big house, right?
It's a big
Yeah.
house.
So let's watch a video, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Let's get ready to watch a video. Fine?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, now it's more clear, right? How this route map works. Yeah, so the route map shows the location. Route map shows the location. Various places. Repeat after me. Route map
Route map.
shows the location.
Route map shows
Various places of various places, right? Very good. Look, route map. What does a route map means? Route map shows the location of various places. Is it clear? I'll repeat one more time. Route map shows the location. It shows the location of various places. Is it clear?
Yes.
Fine. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. So now we are going to discuss about our map. Our map. Our country's map. Esther, what about our country? Is it China?
Ma'am, I have network issues there.
Ayuga,
Yes, ma'am.
what's our country? What is the name of our country? Simple question, right? Answer me. It's India, right? Our country?
India.
Yes, India. That's it. Okay. So, ma'am is going to show the map of our India. Is it fine? Okay. Listen here. All of you, listen here. Yeah. Look, look, look. All of you, look here. This is our map, right? This is our map. Ivan, all of you, listen here. This is our map. Here also, in this map, it is very difficult to identify the meaning of this black spot, right? You can see loads of black spot here. Here, 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 and here, right? Yeah? But we don't know what is the meaning of this black spot, right? Aiden, we don't know, right? Yes. Pavin? 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 Yes. Do you know the meaning of this black spots? You can see loads of black spots here, right? Do you know what is this? No, right? For your answer, they also provide a key here. Look, a box with keys. Look. I need to change the pen color. Please wait. Look here. Now it's more clear, right? They also provide a key here. So first key, that is international boundary. I'm going to unmute. Don't shout. Don't shout. Okay, please mute. Please mute. All of you, please mute. Yes, who is calling me?
Ivan.
Ivan, what's the problem, Ivan?
My dad go to Tashkent and stay 2 days and go to Dubai. Tashkent.
Okay,
2 days.
okay. 2 days ago. Wow, that's great. Look here, this is our map. This map also provides a key here. So first one, that is international boundary. Do you know what is international boundary?
Yes, it's the border
Yeah,
of 2 countries.
we all have neighbors, right? We all have neighbors. Huh? Just like us
Yeah.
has neighbors like China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal. All these are our neighbors, right? Our neighboring countries.
Ma'am, you forgot Bhutan and Myanmar.
Yes, that's it. All of these are the neighboring countries. Yeah. So look here, look here.
Himachal Pradesh.
Yes, yes. This is our boundary, right? Boundary with Pakistan. Okay. So this is our international boundary. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Then we have China here. So this is an international boundary for
Ma'am, can you-
Nepal. This is a boundary for China. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have, do you know the country capital? Our country capital?
Yes, it's New Delhi.
New Delhi.
New Delhi.
New Delhi, right? All of you please take your textbook. Textbook. Take your textbook.
Language Hindi.
All of you? Yes, yes, the language is Hindi there. Take your rough textbook, okay? Take your textbook. Page number 20. All of you listen here. Please listen here, my dears.
It's unit.
Yes. Take the textbook, page number 20, and show me. Show that page. Yeah. The map of India, right? So now you are going to point out where is New Delhi. Where is New Delhi? Just point out, Pavin, take your textbook. Don't fight there. Take your textbook and point out the New Delhi with a red spot there. You can refer the key. You can refer the key, a red spot. Yeah? Look, that red spot is used for our easiness to identify our country. Is it clear, Shreya? Shreya? Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now you are going to identify the state capital of Kerala with a black spot. With a black spot. State capital. Ivan? Yeah, can you show me? Yes.
Ma'am, Kerala is here at top, at the bottom.
Yes, but where is our state capital? Which is our state capital? Trivandrum, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it shows with a black spot there. Yeah, black spot is used to identify the state capital. Look here, all of you. Even mute, okay? All of you look here. This is our state, right? Our Kerala. With a black spot here. So this is Thiruvananthapuram. That is our state capital. Clear, no? Yeah. Then look here. We have Madhya Pradesh here with a black spot. So the state capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. So this black spot is used to identify the state capital. Is it clear, all of you? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to ask certain question. Others, please mute. Others, please mute. Yeah, the question for Mayuga. Show me the state capital of Rajasthan. Show me the state capital of Rajasthan.
And this.
With a black spot, right? Very good, very good. Rohan, show me the state capital of Gujarat. Just show me. Show me the state capital of Gujarat. Take your time, no problem. Yes, very good, very good. Very good, Rohan. Then Aiden, show me the state capital of Uttar Pradesh. Look here, okay? All of you look here. Is going to show the state capital of Uttar Pradesh. Yes. Aiden, can you show me? Where is he? Sorry. Eba? Can you show me? Show me the state capital of Uttar Pradesh. Very good. Look here, all of you look here. It's very clear, right? Very good, very good. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Now it's clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we discussed about map of our house, map of route map and map of our India. Yeah. Okay. So our map also provide the key with international boundaries, a red spot to identify the country capital, a black spot to identify the state capital. So what is this red and black spot? What are the symbols used, right? Symbols used on a map. Is it clear?
And red spot is country capital. Black spot is state capital.
Yes, that's right. The black spot is used to identify the state capital of each state. Is it clear? And red spot is to identify our country capital, that is New Delhi. Ivan, yes.
Ma'am, you know Tashkent. You know Tashkent here.
Any doubts?
Ma'am,
If you have any doubts,
ma'am.
please raise your hands. Others,
Ma'am.
please quiet.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, Ayush. Others, please mute. Okay, others, please mute. Yes,
Ma'am, what
Ayush.
is white here?
Which one, dear?
White.
China.
Nothing, dear. Here you can see an international boundary. Look here.
China.
Look here, look here. This line, just a minute. Look here, dear. This is the international boundary of India with Nepal. Okay. This is the international boundary with China. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now it's clear, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So others, yeah. Eba.
Ma'am, my Ma'am, my name
3B, right?
is